was going to go to Rome today, but I can't be bothered. I was going to check out Florence for a couple of days. I've been to Rome before. Had booked a day trip for a couple of days, but going to spend a couple of days wandering around this town, see what it's got to offer. Wow. Walking around in the rain, see what I can find. None of the museums will be open yet, but once they are, they'll be too busy to get into. You can't win, can you? Oh, it looks good down there. I'm just basically going down the most interesting looking roads. That looks quite interesting. Rain's usually setting in for the day. Very annoying. They've been walking around about 3 hours now. It hasn't stopped raining. There's all these, like National Trust brown type symbols, places to go to. Michelangelo's, Botanica, stuff like that. Galileo's house. Can't really find any of it. I've just found big hills. I started walking up a massive hill and I thought, I'm not doing this. It's not going anywhere, but there's a big fort. I'm not sure where to go next. Ah, Florence. Grazie. That's an imitation of Michelangelo's, David. It's not a real one. I'll try and see a real one later. It's in a museum. Nearly went in a museum, it's just full of loads of naked statues. Ah, Florence. What a nice city. I bet it's nice in the summer. Quite a lot of trash and stuff though. It's not that clean. I was stuck in a queue. Couldn't get in, it's too busy. Booked some train tickets to go to Rome in the morning, so I will be doing that. Also, I've got a guided tour to Pisa the day after. Kind of embarrassing by how lost I've just been. I think I might end this video. I don't think you want to see me getting lost anymore.